Ah, what are we doing? Consolidating right at it. Now, hopefully, we get a bullish setup because I don't see much. I don't see much shorting opportunity, but the market can still do what it wants. But if it wants to keep going shorter, hey, I'm sitting on my hands. Just watch what I tell you, man. Just watch what I tell you. So we have this 1 minute bullish imbalance here. Tapped into it. My nose itches. Shit. We're still at the 1.413 extension, by the way. Looks like we're getting some bullish signature now. I would want to see close above this imbalance, close above these highs, and a little bit of momentum going. So I could draw this box out. It's almost time to get in. But we gotta see what happens at this thing first. So we ran the highest quadrant. Close above this, that'll be 1 minute market structure shift. These will be 5. Ideally, this is, oh, Ideally, oh shit. These highs up here, where I want to be in at. I want price to close above these, so ideally above this descending 2-1 Gann angle. It's a time thing, so as price consolidates and gets lower, it gets closer to this angle. And once it gets to this angle, something has to happen. So seems like we're getting our 1 minute market structure shift now. But it's up to these highs. I want to see an imbalance through them because right now this wick makes it seem like this is just noise. And if this is just noise, then there's going to be no long setup. Maybe if we get an imbalance above this angle right here. But I was hoping we would get one like from here through these highs. And that would be the imbalance that we trade off of. It's all noise. But we ran this imbalance, so that means this is invalid. And we have to wait for a new 1 minute signal of intent. So we have the 15 minute. We ran that high time frame imbalance. Oh. We got that area. A good extension to target would be the 0. But I feel like we would go much higher. So we're consolidating around in this imbalance right here. Closes beneath this would signal more shorts. But it would have to be sort of a momentum push. Getting signal of bearish intent. It's a very bearish day. Looks like we're going to continue lower. Yeah, I'm getting... Well, I want to see how price reacts to this first. Because I don't... Let me keep that open. No, not down there. Damn. That's crazy. Market. So we're getting that momentum push now. Keep it above this imbalance right here. Damn, I wanted to get in so much earlier. But I'm going to target these lows down here. Since today wants to be super bearish. And the reason why I put my stop loss up here is because it's a higher time frame structure. You don't want to keep it where the noise is loud. So if I had my stop loss like above this candle, I would just get probably wicked out sooner if price continues to chop around a bit more. But NQ is seeming to be a heavy bearish day. And I think we can push to that angle. Once we get a pullback and a continuation, I'm going to trail my stop loss so it doesn't look like I'm risking so much. Because I don't like how it looks. But that's if we even get a pullback. Because NQ's been so volatile today. But we'll see what happens. Hey, how y'all feel about the Kamzat DDP fight? I put money on it, and I want to. Parlays hitting. My bad. This should be boring sometimes. Now all of a sudden NQ wants to slowly deliver. Come on, man. What you doing? Interesting. Interesting price action. all those wicks to the upside, gathering more fuel before the move. I don't like how this is looking, so let me look back through my time frames. Yeah, we had this big dump earlier, so I think I may close position if this gives us any more bullish signal. And the fact that this imbalance hasn't been tapped, I don't like that. So I think I may close this paper position soon if it continues to stall. Right here is a very important point. I'm going to just trail my stop loss. Because I don't like the idea of how much price is dumped. And we haven't actually tapped this 5-minute imbalance, or this imbalance right here before continuing. And we formed this 5-minute imbalance right here. No drawdown, that's the goal. Looks like we're dumping further. We need to push beneath these lows. All right, here we go. $7.16. Looks like my take profit is about to get hit. Price is reversing hard. So this is my trailing stop, but we're gonna see what price action wants to do. We could hit either or. Looks like it's going for this one. Need more momentum. That's all. If we close beneath this, we're good. But if we close within it, means we could be going for 480. Yeah, we could be going for $480. Damn, man. NQ wanted to dump with all this volatility earlier. Where is it at now? Look at that. You know what? I'm taking my 700. Oh shit. Yeah. The reason why I closed it and took all of that is because I feel like if I wanted, I could just find a better position to enter off of. Right now, we are extremely overstretched. We sold a lot since New York opened. If anything, I should be looking for buy setups around the 750 macro, but I took what I did, you know what I'm saying? Saw potential to make money in the market and I grabbed it. Now, if price ends up going through these areas of imbalance and closes above these highs, of course, we got longs all day from this direction. We can target London session lows, Asia session lows, even the highs. But I think I'm going to step out right now because I made my money. And look, price is going to these imbalances. So here is another decision point, but I'm not going to be around for it. So did what I did, you know what I'm saying?